Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to customize a quick launch on this device. So now we can see here that in our quick launch we have 5 different applications. So if you want to change them, we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the special features. Then click here to quick launch, and just to change it to the currently menu, we should click here to the edit. Now again, if you want to just change their positions, just hold it and drag it by this way. But if you want to just remove, for example, these 3 applications and add another one, just click here to the minuses, and after that, so let's just add here the settings assistant. This is the functions. We can switch it to the apps. For example, let's add here the contacts on the just the Netflix app. Then just click here to done. Now we can see here the changes, and let's just try to activate a quick launch. We can see that all of our applications there changed successfully. So that's it. That's how to customize quick launch on our OPPO F21 Pro 5G device. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.